Make sure that the rest of the body has been decompressed prior to completing this exercise. When you decompress the spine and load the hips back, you create a natural pull downward below the neck. From there, you want to bring the head back slightly, look up, look down, look right, look left, and then combine those two by looking down, right, left, looking up, left, right, and then finally putting it all together, down, right, up, left, down, left, and switch directions. A bigger gyroscope in this does not necessarily make it better, because a smaller gyroscope will recruit more deeper tissues in the neck and create better head control, especially for those of us that spend a lot of time in a forward position. These can be done in kneeling or in prone, but can also be done seated and standing as long as you have properly decompressed prior to attempting a neck gyroscope. There are a ton of nerves that come out from behind the head, so be very careful when completing this.